Hey guys, today on Project TJ we're replacing the HVAC control unit. Stay tuned. Hi guys, my name's Daryl Sheether, welcome to the channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the way out because it really helps us along. Currently Project TJ doesn't have a working air conditioner, or heater for that matter. The heater was in an earlier episode where we had a leaking heater core, and unfortunately I've got to pull the whole dashboard out to do that. There's some stuff that I want to do to the dashboard area that I think is really cool, but I need to get this fixed before we can do that. As part of that, I'd like to get the air conditioner working again because it's nice to have, and we've got a bung switch on the HVAC control unit. My thoughts are with the air conditioning is, well, if I can get this working, I'll get it regassed and then we'll go looking for the dye that's escaping from the system, and we can start replacing those parts. It doesn't look as though there's going to be too much to it, but then again, once we're down the rabbit hole, who knows. With regard to the fan switch not working, there's normally a couple of things that goes in this. One is the fan switch itself, another is a resistor that's in the system. From my perspective, it is the fan switch because I can get it going if I go to a higher setting and then come back the low setting. Currently in the one in the car, which I will show you, there's a detent between off and the first fan switch, so it's all pointing to this. The resistor isn't a big dollar item, but I just figure it's this. It shouldn't be a big job. I'm hoping that I don't have to pull the whole center section out to do it. I think I should just be able to unclip it and work around that. But let's see how we go. Before I forget too, I had a vendor in the US do a VIN search on this for the correct part, because there are a few parts floating around with different numbers. This is what they've come up with for my 2005 TJ. So that's the part number, if we can focus in on that. So this is the current control box in the car. Now, on the fan switch, it appears as though there's a detent halfway across to 1, and then it'll click to 1. So to me, that means there's a contact worn out inside there. But we'll soon see when we swap it over. So this is a Phillips head. There's 2 screws that need to come out that hold it in. And the old unit should just pull out. So yes, it's the next day. I'll just wrap this up now. That worked really well. So happy that's working. I'll go and get the air conditioning regassed now, and we'll try and find out where the leaks are and order some parts. I don't think it's too much, because last time I had it recharged it lasted about 12 months before it depleted the system. So thank you for watching. Hope you got something out of that, and we'll see you next time. Bye.